Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you on how to add a tracking order page to your Shopify store. This page will let your customers track their orders easily, so let's get started. First is you need to log into your Shopify store and complete the setup guide if you haven't already. Second, in creating the tracking page, you have to go to online store and then click pages. Then you need to click add page. You have to name it order tracking or whatever you want, and then you have to hit save. And then now that you have a order tracking page, you have to open the provided Google Doc for essential tracking page code. You should copy and paste it into your Shopify page's HTML. So we're going to scroll at the bottom and make sure that you're copying this one, tracking page script. Let's copy. Then go back to Shopify and then click this one, then paste it and then hit save. You can view the page in here. This is the basic interface of order tracking and it should display an order tracking form in here. Then let's copy this URL to somewhere because we're going to need this later. Go back to main page, and if you want to add the tracking tab to your store's menu, let's go to navigation and then select main menu, and then we're going to add menu item. It says order tracking, then let's search for page where we put our order tracking, then click it in here. Then you're going to click add and save it, and it is now updated and we can actually preview it in here. And now we can finally see it in our home page. So let's go back to our main page, and then we're going to customize the shipping confirmation, and to customize the message customers will receive when tracking their orders, go to settings and then find notifications, and then we're going to find shipping confirmation at the bottom. Click it. So now we're going to edit the code so we can customize the shipping confirmation on the customer side when they received their tracking orders. So we're going to select it all and then delete. And then from here, going to copy this replace confirmation email, scroll it down till the end, and then we're going to paste it. Then we can actually preview it first. And here's the preview of the order tracking page. It looks amazing. Oh wait, I forgot you have to replace the 100-second here by the order tracking that I told you to save. Replace it with this one, and then you can actually hit save. So you can actually test it and have the preview of the tracking confirmation message and send yourself a test email to ensure that it looks good. So basically, that's it. You've successfully added an order tracking page onto your Shopify store. If you find this helpful, let me know and I'll be happy to create more step-by-step tutorials for you. Thank you for watching, everyone, and be safe.